Check out this freaking cool setup I just got from Midnight Forest. It's an 8-gallon water tank. Just mounts right to the side of your truck, can mount on the top of your truck. Has multiple fuel options, multiple spout options. And then it comes with this small pressure washer that you hook up to it. Clean your gear and stuff off. The mounting system on it is awesome too. It has this little bracket that mounts on, and then this piece mounts to the water tank, and you can just lift it right out. So you can take it on and off the truck. And if you're going on a trip, it even comes with this lock. Put it in there. Now no one can pull it off your truck.